In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix function key for brightness not working on Windows 11. So let's get started. So for that, you have to simply right click at the start button and then select device manager. In the Device Manager window, locate Keyboards and click on the arrow to expand the list. Locate the keyboard driver, make a right click, select Update Driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. If you have more than one available drivers, try the latest version or you can try each driver and see as to what will work for you. Click on Next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this and then click on the Yes button to restart your computer. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful videos and tutorials for you. Then locate display adapters. Right click on your graphics card, select disable device and click on yes. Okay, click on yes. After disabling it, wait for some time, then make a right click and then select enable device. Okay, enable device and then press the FN key for brightness on your windows and that will be working this time. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.